Here we go with round one of the grand finale, and we are going first with Umesh. Umesh is a Real Madrid and Odisha FC fan. Umesh, your first question is: which manager has won the most trophies with Real Madrid?
Gento.
No, it's not. It's not Francisco Gento. It's Miguel Muniz. He has won 14 trophies between 1960 and 1974. Moving on, in which season, most recently, did Real Madrid beat FC Barca in the semi-finals to lift the Champions League? You know, which season
Yeah.
did Real Madrid won the Champions League after defeating Barcelona in the semi-finals of the UCL? Which season, most recently?
Sorry.
It's 2001, 2002. It was the Zinedine Zidane special goal. If you remember Leverkusen in the final. Okay. Uh,
Yeah. Right.
yeah. So your third question is, it is obviously associated to Odisha FC. In which year did Dia Diagne, he's a midfielder, in which year did Dia Diagne made his international debut for Senegal?
2017.
No, it wasn't 2017. It was 2014. You're yet to open your account, and we move on to Rohan. Hi, Rohan. Round one, first question. Chelsea. Who scored his first goal for Chelsea in the 82nd minute in its 7-1 mauling against Grimsby in the Carabao Cup this season? First
Reece
goal,
James.
amazing. This is your opening goal. You've got your 2 points. Which former Chelsea star's parents were both footballers?
Sorry.
Which former Chelsea star's parents were both professional footballers?
Oh, Eden Hazard.
Amazing. You've got 2 out of 2. You've got 4 points. We move on to ATK. Okay. Borja Fernandez has the highest number of appearances as a foreigner for ATK with 47 caps. Which foreigner stands at number 2?
Um, Luis Garcia. I don't think I'm
No.
right, but
Offensinato. He's got 31. So, this is the question. I played the full 90 minutes and was named man of the match on my international debut in 2017.
next.
Next, I replaced Cesc Fabregas for my club debut in 2014. It's obviously a
I
Chelsea player.
Yeah.
I
I
replaced
replaced.
Cesc Fabregas for my club debut in 2014. I played 7 minutes against Sporting CP at Stamford Bridge. It's the same hint. It's not two hints. It's one hint. Okay.
Okay.
On my first start, I played against Liverpool with a 100% passing record, only to be replaced by current Man United midfielder Nemanja Matic. He was replaced, he was substituted by Nemanja Matic.
And the player made his Chelsea debut in 2014.
Yeah, debut in 2014, start in 2014 obviously. The start was against Liverpool, the debut was against Sporting CP.
Okay. I can take guesses, right?
Of course.
Yeah. Kevin De Bruyne.
No, Kevin De Bruyne isn't your answer. I wear jersey number 12 right now, and my current contract runs till
Loftus
20.
Cheek.
Oh, so you've got it. Good, but you get just 2 points. Umesh, it's your turn to hit the ball out of the park. This is your question for round two. I played for Real Madrid, then signed for Inter, and then for AC Milan.
Ronaldo.
No, it's wrong.
Brazilian.
No, it's not the answer. The only international team I managed was Cameroon in 2018-19.
Fabio Cannavaro.
No, Fabio Cannavaro isn't your answer. I wouldn't keep asking you about the same player again and again. It's obvious.
Yeah, obviously.
I won the second Champions League of my career in only my second year at the Santiago Bernabeu, defeating Juventus 1-0. I won the second Champions League of my career in only my second year at the Santiago Bernabeu.
Sido,
Clarence
Sido,
Seedorf is your answer. Amazing.
Clarence Sido.
Yeah, well done, man. Well done. You've hit hard. So Rohan, there's a little bit of comeback here. He's got 3 points. You're still ahead. You're still pretty much ahead. You've got 6 points, and Umesh is at three. Uh, so we'll start round three with Umesh. Is that okay? Okay. Umesh, round three, first question. Here is the question for you. Which former Chelsea player have been friends since they were 8 years old? Which former Chelsea pair, I need both players, have been friends since they were 8 years old? Think like which two players have come from the same country. It's important.
Courtois and Eden Hazard.
No, Courtois and Eden Hazard isn't the right answer. The answer is, do you know Rohan? The answer?
It's definitely one of the English
No,
youngsters.
it's not. It's not the English youngsters. It's Willian and David Lewis. Anyway, I would want you to mute
yes,
again.
yes.
Yeah. Okay. Thank
Yeah,
you.
yeah.
Thank you. Okay. Last question for Umesh in this round. Who was captain of ATK in the 2018-2019 season? It's a very basic question, but a lot of people miss it.
Pritam Kotal, but I'm
Pritham
not
Kotal
sure.
was the second question, second captain, yes, but the main captain was Manuel Lanzarote. A lot of people miss him. He's one of those players
Yeah,
who
yeah.
you would miss in the blink of an eye. So we have a clear winner, but I would still go on with Rohan. Umesh, I'd like you to mute the
Yeah, sure, sure.
mute yourself. Rohan, congratulations. You've already done what you needed. Here's your question from Real Madrid. Which current Liverpool player has played for Real Madrid for a season on loan?
On loan. Current Liverpool player.
Rhythm would be so interested. He's a real Liverpool fan. You can't take all day. Come on.
Is it Fabinho?
It is Fabinho. It is indeed Fabinho. You are on some form, man. Amazing, amazing answer. Which spot did Odisha FC finish on the table last season?
Oh, sixth.
Of course, it's sixth. Amazing. Sixth with 25 points.